Don't get stuck on Ridge Road.
Trying not to. The stupid idiot tried to get around me here. And that's where I need to get, is that lane. See, look at this. I'm like...
You're like going 2 miles now.
Yeah, very slow. I have no traction at all. Stuck on Ridge.
Why are people beeping? You can't. You obviously can't move. You are jerks.
All right, right here, right here. Until we get some traction right here. Get traction. If I can get into that spot right there, I'll be fine. I just gotta pick up some. Gotta pick up some speed. Yes, I know. Right here. Yeah, I know.
We're not in a freaking big car like you. Big heavy thing. We can't move.
Alright, here we go.
People are so mean. They keep beeping at us.
I can't do anything about it.
I know you can't. People are rude. They're idiots.